lads and lasses from Thomas Trice at Borne In Fire Knife and Tool. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to real quick go over the EDC series and in general what makes my knives look and perform differently than anybody else's that I know of. What we have here is all works in progress. These are for a specific customer. We tried 3-4 times, had different failures for different reasons. When I say failure, I mean we're picky. If it doesn't meet our standards, we don't like what we see. We're constantly in communication with the customer. We go back and forth to the point where we want to make sure everybody's happy, because I figure this is a lifetime investment. This is armored art. It's not just Cerakote. There's a base layer of Cerakote, a hydrographics in there, and then a second layer of Cerakote at the very least. In this case, there's multiple layers. You got Cerakote, hydrographics, and in layers, and it ends up with a matte layer of Cerakote clear armor over the top of everything. Absolutely incredible and durable and beautiful. Now, real quick, every single blade is differentially tempered. Here's one. It's just quick etched just to show the temper lines, and then it's been knocked back already. As you can see, there's a double temper line, double Haman in this blade. Beautiful blade. But there's a temper line, and there's the simple, well, I say simple. Actually, if you know your terms, there's a lot going on in this blade, but that's going out. Now this has a matte clear armor. This is already going to a customer. Real quick, I'm trying to cover a lot of territories. The EDC is simple. These are meant to be a small blade. You're looking at 9 inches from point to butt. A 4-inch blade here. The handles are on all my knives are removable. Let me see if I can get closer. You're looking at a 1/4 inch threaded stainless steel bushing, a 632 screw that goes into it that you can find out of any hardware store. If you lose the screws, just get a hold of me. I'll send you more. These things have a VIP warranty. These get set in, they're staked in, they're friction fitted. They can be removed for replacement and repair if need be. On these blades, and I'll pick this one just to try to get a little closer, you're looking at both a finger guard, something to keep your hand from sliding forward onto the edge. You're looking at strike point here, and a rudimentary blade catch here. It's only for cool factor, the blade catch, unless you have training that knows how to use it. Jimping, set of finger releases, and of course, as it's inferred by its name, this knife is designed to fall into the Bastard family. You're looking at a properly done Tanto point. The primary edge here will be set to 20 degrees before this ships. Same thing here. Now this is the Baldur. It is a minimalist approach to an EDC fixed blade. I'm mesmerized by the Haman in this and the colors that came out. Anyway, absolutely everything is brought to a minimum for a fully functional daily carry knife. This blade has, again, it's just long enough to where you've got a place here that can be used as a strike point. Enough of a guard here and finger relief to keep the hand from sliding forward under use. Jimping. Again, something to keep your thumb positively positioned on the spine of the blade. And absolutely gorgeous lines. Very simple. Again, 9 inches overall, 4-inch blade. Now, one of the features that you'll find on my knives is typically the spine is slightly rounded. However, this area right here is left largely flat. What happens is this operates as a cam surface. So when this engages this edge, engages fibrous material, which is most of the things you're going to be cutting, it literally cams this point through the material. So the harder you press forward, the more force is put onto this edge. It just geometrically increases. It gives you a cam surface. It's that simple. There you go. This is the EDC series, work in progress. I appreciate you very much for tuning in and watching. There'll be more to come. Have a wonderful day. Be safe.